Hey guys, this is Nathan with Bark Life. Today we get to check out the MR2 with more detail. We went shooting, so you get to check out our vr80s. Also, we have to say goodbye to an old friend. So stay tuned. Ooh. Alright guys, so you guys want to hear it run. It's a brutal endeavor. It's sad to hear a Toyota in this state, but some of you guys were messaging me, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and fire it up. Maybe it'll blow up. I don't know. But yeah, this is probably the last time this motor's going to be started before we pull it out. So without further ado, I guess, let's fire it up and listen to it. It's pretty brutal. That's sad. So there it is, guys. That is the MR2 planking. So if any of you have ever heard of Rod Knock, or want to know what Rod Knock sounds like, this is exactly what it sounds like. Follows the RPM, it's loud, I mean, that rod is gone. The bearings are just toast. But there it is. And don't forget, guys, we need to hear what motor you guys want to see in this. So what are we putting in here? Recommendations and, yeah, opinions. We want them. Thanks, guys. One super cool thing about MR2s is you have trunk, you have right there, hood, and then you have engine cover. So, there's that sweet 5 SFE in its stock form. V6 or K20? What do you guys think? I know I've already asked that, but I need an answer. Anyways, and then you have the sweet trunk, which is basically empty. The skins are missing out of it. I don't think that's going to be an option to find the skins for an MR2. They're becoming quite rare. But yeah. And the front's basically a spare tire. That's what you get in the front. So this is if Vanessa and I decide to take a road trip. You have about 20 hands worth of space in there. It's pretty small. I guess you get a little extra since they took that side stuff out. Ooh. I don't think my wife's going to put her bags in this. It's filthy. This is exactly as I got it. Pine needles everywhere. Don't leave pine needles on your cars, guys. It causes rust. But anyways, yeah, here's the front. I think those are the inner fenders for the wheels. But yeah, sorry, the sun's in the way. But that is the front of the car. Crazy enough. But I am excited, you guys. This is amazing. Trunk that is closed. Alright. There we go. So, kind of a sad time. We might be saying goodbye to the Scion. You guys were introduced to it last video. I think we're going to try to make room for something a little bit more, how do you say, I don't know, modifiable. Something that we can carry more parts and that sort of thing. So yeah, I think this might be it. I'm taking it to go get cleaned, and I have several different people scheduled to come look at it, so we might be saying goodbye to our 2000 Scion XD. Well, guys, we are heading to drop off the Scion. The guy came and drove it. It worked out good. It was a super clean car, super low miles. So, of course, he is buying it. So I'm just meeting him to drop it off right now. Wait until you guys see what we're using that space slash money to buy. So, yeah, it's going to be quite interesting. We'll be able to update you on that a little bit more next week. But directly from here, we're going to drop off the car, pick up the check, and then we are heading to have some fun. So Kevin and I, you guys saw him on the channel a couple videos ago. Him and Hayden as well, and my wife, we're heading to go have some fun. So you guys will get to see what that's all about. Just heading up to go shooting. Only we're gonna go shooting when it's 4 degrees outside. It's not actually, it's like 20 something, 25, 26. This is one of the lakes we'll be fishing on this summer. What's up? It's kind of a nasty little mud hole, but it has okay bass for North Idaho. You Southerners will be appalled at the size of our bass up here. Kids crunch in the back. The peanut gallery's back there. That's Silas and Louise enjoying their snacky snacks. Cousin Taylor's in Arizona, or else he'd probably be back there enjoying a snacky snack with them. Cute. You look like a little angry something. I don't know. Attaboy. Kevin shooting the 22 in the dark. What's up? Hey guys, this video was a blast to make. We're excited for all the projects we have coming up and really excited to share with you what we have coming next week. So make sure and tune in, like, and subscribe. It's the button down below. Our channel has grown from 17 subscribers to 400. Get on it early so you guys can be a part of the fun. If you guys like this content, let me know. If you hate this content, let me know. Comment down below. Also, don't forget 2GR or K20. We need to make that decision like now. We're trying to get this car put together here in the next couple months. So let's get this figured out. Comment below. Would you guys like to see a 2GR? That's out of a RAV4. It's the V6. Really good motor. or the K20. I've said it like 1,000 times, but only 1 or 2 comments about that swap so far. I need more feedback. There are 400 of you guys. Let's talk about this. Anyways, and I will be responding to your comments. So if you comment below, I'll personally review it and comment. So thank you guys so much, and stay tuned.